Today we're going to show you how to change the oil in a 2015 Jeep. The car is making noise when you're making turn, like grinding, all kind of noise. So the first thing you might want to do before to go to the dealers or the steelers, you're gonna have to at least try to change the oil. And in this case, this car has no drain plug. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a suction pump that my customer actually got it for me. So we're gonna be draining the oil. We're gonna suction the oil from that plug, and we have another plug right here. So it's at two places. He doesn't have a drain plug. So let's start. First thing, we're gonna lose the plugs with a 3/8 drive ratchet. Okay, I got one loose. 3/8 drive ratchet. Okay, we got it loose. Now we're gonna after you lose it, it comes out with the finger. So the threads on this thing they design it really good. So after you crack it loose, it comes right out. So now we're gonna drain it. I got the plug out, the gasket. So now I'm gonna get a pin ready, so when we do the suction, we can drain it. So I got the suction pump. I'm gonna insert the hose and the little hole all the way at the bottom. And now we're gonna pull, and it's coming. As you can see, this thing start to filling up. So we're gonna get all the oil, much as we can out. Okay. So when we finish draining all the oil, I'm gonna show you how to put it in. Alright. So, but anyway, it keeps coming. So I'm not sure how much it is inside. I think it's gonna be like 2 quarts. Let's see what happens. It keeps coming, and all I gotta do is I gotta keep pulling the bottom of the suction pump. That's how it makes the suction in this section, and it fills in this section. So okay, it keeps coming. I don't know why they didn't put a drain plug in this thing, but I don't know. If they were so sure about what they did with this rear end, maybe that's why they didn't put a drain plug. Maybe they didn't want us to mix oils, but that's it. It's empty. No more. Remove the hose a little bit so I can get more out. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, looks like we're done. We're done with the one on the passenger side. So we got, let me see how much we got. Hold on. So I think we have, I can't see, oops. Yeah. I think like 1 pint or something like that. Oh, I'm gonna read it this way. So we have 160 millimeters. Mil.